In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple hyperlinks in a single cell in Google Sheets. This is a really nifty trick that can help organize your data and make your spreadsheets more interactive and efficient. So if you're working on a project, whether it's for school, business, or personal use, and you need to incorporate several links into one cell, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how we can seamlessly achieve this. Firstly, you'll want to start by typing in the text you want into the cell where you need these hyperlinks. For instance, let's say you have a list of important resources, documents, or URLs that you need to reference under a single topic heading. Enter this text directly into the cell. It could be a sentence or a list that describes what each link is about. The clarity of your initial text is crucial, as it sets the stage for embedding links that are meaningful and easy to understand. Once you have your text ready in the cell, move on to highlighting the first word or phrase you want to link. You'll need to use the mouse to select this specific part of the text. After highlighting it, you can create the hyperlink by pressing Ctrl and the letter K on your keyboard simultaneously. This key combination will open a menu where you can enter the URL you want to attach to the highlighted text. Carefully paste or type in the full URL to ensure it's accurate, and then confirm your entry by clicking on Apply or simply pressing Enter. Now that you've added your first hyperlink, you'll notice that the word or phrase is now underlined and possibly a different color. This indicates that your link has been successfully embedded. Next, go back to your cell, highlight a different word or phrase, and repeat the process. Again, use Ctrl+K to bring up the hyperlink dialog. Enter the new URL corresponding to this particular word and confirm it. It's as simple as that. By repeating this process, you can add as many hyperlinks as needed to different words or phrases within the same cell. This technique allows you to maximize the utility of your spreadsheet cell, making it a hub of information without overwhelming the layout. And that's all there is to it. Remember, this method of embedding links is not only powerful, but also makes your document much more informative and dynamic. It's a great way to keep related information linked together, providing easy access to additional resources or data directly from your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tip helpful in your future projects. Stay tuned for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.